kwa adechipachi and share na ye inganizin.
That's it. Pejman say pede can be
Captain. Yenchi etefu yemo bibia chinganga wa orite kese free war finfima nto na nkwado. Be since last week na zo read na to yan region na in some we were zirutugwa na monyampa aye Professor Moss ne library was it and then somewhere last week on the interview chairman more case chairman Jacobs
last week
interview the nedan so me today interview ma me yanko kojo yakun on it na kan some na library no mami minyim there it was purely a private thing. That's how I put it. Because you know what's a foundation will be see and what source for funds what I am. Now
I have a foundation.
I have Professor Moss Foundation.
One not way.
But now or members of the foundation even won't be no way the building project committee members wanna no wash my ways. Na everybody be me in also the youth be also the one trainer one way library because the then president Muhammad about commission
share the planning committee of the library. Kofi Totobi Kwache, Commodore Steve Obimpe, Dr. E.G. Don Atta, Professor Nana Opoku Ajiban, Ato Ahoy, Professor Kwamena Ahoy, Kwame Pepra, Ludwig Kloche, Dr. Omane Buama, Professor Dora Edu Buando.
Currently the province OECC.
Okay. Slavanos Tabaklo, Samuel Okujato Ablakwa, Koku Anyudoho, Ben Nunu Mensa, Nat Lomo Menu, Frederick Kofi Roxy. Maybe I watch it or private. Contract them my task there or you abandon that because no train washers no train come from Flagstaff House.
No, but so train come from Flagstaff House and there beer we can say young document it was coming from government coffers. Them worry can say telcos no one donation was called Flagstaff House. But is it the committee members and they want to watch in the name of the committee or do you go to government chest and casa? We need to establish this same because yeah, can say, Bemo will interview the current regional minister. And also, obey handover note the previous or
when
so he sees as a purely private thing.
With these members as planning committee members,
I say,
we don't want to wound in or Tadan home.
Down, you can say, I beg MPP by Captain. One man will pick a called the APO, the regional minister. Them project here, them hand over notice on you. Presidency war one of other with alcohol because and also the then government sure there about support projecting. Them letter now work and you be a heifer. We just be a I'm will be back one to one more. But many more Germans are saying there. Look at Gofa Bumhodini. What that do na yen is full. I ain't one. I was warriors was immortalize the memories of the late Mills. Nase we see library them na within was how many months? It's a 6 months or 3 months. What do you see? For over 4 years they couldn't finish. Since I can say issue about beautiful work no one way. I'm painful already to be quite to a white now will be said scanning cannibal or Henefa. Contract and say, one channel in me. No, and kiss me now or no. Meanwhile, as a couple commission projects been not we in me are as I won't be using no projects and a kiss knowing, but it was commission 2016 and as no kiss no contract and was so why the rush? I don't want you know.
But what commission is to it's a president na kaso Kenya one kade or ye private person be na o tua hokaw. Also, yeah, that the state is doing this in memory.
But Captain, state in a warrior. Inti oye danye. Emeke say so. If you are now in they wrote to the state for support. But let us now, could you Africa or say Professor Edouard Chena, the source for support from the state.
There be only here, so we want inaugurate area after the inauguration, commissioning, and I invested the truck come on there. Odu baby, as in the scene, you get that letter clear. Baby, a project in the scene. And only invest in the campus and Kasa. Invest in one plan. I was to share one utilities and the and on resources. Now, one obey you, one that was the particular support I know we hear from government. And the government so reply catch one day. The needed support to be here in managing. That was the operational word. In managing the facility, no government will provide.
No, but even they ask the AESL to prepare what they call title deeds. At when you under ownership of the project, although my use it as we speak, why?
And I'm making
it is them you mean na one so timelines are what's mine. They will do 3 months or 6 months or by year from say July 2012, 2013, 14, 15, 16. What when we? Yeke says Murifia Bem, one shadow, this is a project. Yes, Shasi. Na ye could do her. Na sky yani. That's how we disperse it. Na kawakeni. So how does government go to take over? I'm paying for no. So I know quite that more years, but baby, and mama, where you matter the memory of the late Mosa. Why don't you come out and speak there? These are the challenges that we faced. Same. Na ayeke say
and then the crook catch and waka 3.5 million Ghana.
So where is that money?
No we check on it.
It's names can our hifa. Ni yeke say you pa no take Gwado. Oh, the biggest beneficiary of Professor Mos Ofi Gwado by president. Na every direction why yeke he's the leader of the NDC. Them go fusa bu wozin and why in the Totopiko achi na Ludwig they are NDC people. So what has he done about it? Say yet politics na yeah no what say Gwado no we na ye vote for fancy ye can see na say ya kumam ye pede bibi e say opune nyimyam and I can tell me na chuchum train Professor Moss into when he gets to this he gets very emotional. It's now about Kenya up to now nobody is speaking. Obi Anchendo, the 12.5 million at test costs the ban. Yes, spend it. Then issue on point there. Say it's a burden now. Oh yeah, it cannot run without AC. So even investing in some point, one will use a prepaid or a postpaid. So what's another issue? I guess in Bocha library on the one and yas about Yukma. I need to be a problem.
And you're only thing I watch out for management support.
So all these things they have done all these considerations before what they are the baby so monum. So the investing answers them on how do they run their facilities? On your prepaid, postpaid. Because urban government releases as the coach of the Mazia, it goes to process in such a and they say live after prepaid no answer. How do they get money in him I was go to be? It's a problem. In a case, so Adam was a state facility. No, I'm a commission. Key no contract house. Yes, an account. There are no documents to even trace them. Or Captain Smart. In a other one is in, you know, one is in. And the government can also not go and take over. In a case, I have been for about 3 years in 2.5 years. Every committee member do it and more. No, this is where we go to. This is a problem that we face. And the state support. Nothing that's what has happened. And so we want to walk in a buy on your shoe on better wobe library. And I'm more. And the Funanga were in charge. When I project one son, it's about time they spoke. And one more be adding in there. Library. Burning committee and share these were the challenges. Now, where the problem is, then you find a solution to it. Because as this war, in our pro, I can say, library, Oluquin, and a Kofuba, if you have been better also, a beam caucus will put presidential library no way, or Brokoro, or Konoatum, in a king contract and Kutokum, as me wait. It's not good. So, yes, so those who were in charge of projecting one casa where the problem is. Because apart from that, there was another foundation in a professor and a brother, no co-chair. I want to grow scholarship Nazi. They want UCC. Okay, meeting painful Nazi. They started memorial lectures. Nazi, we go. It we didn't need snacks.
Memorial lectures.
I know why. I'm going to why it was going to be done on yearly basis.
To confirm one or two things.
No, I know why. It means that within them there was that the war beaming, they were doing something. Oh yeah, for political gates, but in Yazo Fumakum, because you're committed to doing something properly to immortalize the memory of Presamosa. I'm heard as a bayer. I'm heard assessment 1 year, 2 years, 3 years for warfare beam. Even individuals in the end described could have donated to even build this. Individuals in DC. It was all by a president, be a ministers, it me a deputies, appointed CEOs Nazi for over 4 years. When 2 years. So nobody is ready to go and say the projects and could do that. These are the problems. Mr. Captain, more beyond for some more and find more bank.
Many sure that Obia the Suwaban.
I call for one people say,
never patch there, abandon take you over.
But how does the government
now the Vierbo? And would men's good as semi crassen come faban, but abandon men's good as a on faban who abandon banks, individual banks, you agree on faban who abandon e do yam pardon yam pa crater one a crater you what yats that banisika cracoshim. Yoko. Oh, yeah, simple. You can't abandon by force on the filter. Say, or your band projector. Government better investigate when we or your band project. Say, si can't know what question baby does, can be ya. Abandon between my young wood. I investigated. Si can I could as monsieur into Yaji or your government in the project. You better because it's for the university. So a private project in Pone A, B, individual won't to mean you. If you look at why a warrior, I mean the government can come in. No, that's the only. It's an appeal.
Yes, that is an appeal.
I appeal to the regional minister.
It's an appeal.
Yes,
it means that on Yaza Oyana says it and Abana says it because Yakesi say Bibia the Nukim. You know, when the commission where we Bibia, then you hand over to the users, end users or commissioning. We said that investor Kekosina, that's in the more there. One will be where they give you the keys. You don't give you keys. Or commissioner has the keys in Ogu, Conducting Kotokum. So who were they deceiving?
It's when we investigate.
But Yakese, how do you start the investigation? Yakese,
by calling the contractor.
But Captain, Yakese. That's where donations was coming to be more. I can say there's no document to even trace it. And the regional Muna, I didn't see that then regional minister, Riketega, one can know in a binding project to be over her is Kodura Nazi. Actually, there's no traces. At the presidency, mean to
young fund, but one letter, fund the wire wide the 1 year, young fund to them, baby, I pay impuniqui. Ain't him what's in there. What Onyama Obiza the chair. Or Maya, no was the co-chair president in Nsema, and a vice president in Nsema, and a chief of staff in Nsema. It becomes the property of Ghana.
No, but what we it was being done by the foundation.
No, but it's foundation. Why have a foundation?
No, in foundation, you know, individuals, and where this for was it academics have a count. Ain't one kind of this is there for the country, but
so
are you saying that Professor President Kufuor, no foundation, no woman has because individual or man is
there be in American say President Kufuor ne foundation if you want award or you want to table in Becky Chancellor Cole she want award did not award and into Nkada directly linked to this political party but Kwame Nahoy Donata on no designing as we Paco on no one witness and another day discussion but may I can you there was as the two one was the two Professor Mills, a former president of this country, the late President Mpo. And to more pay and name Lunguase, I don't know what a presidential library. And see, Iyoko can come in. Regional Minister your way, another McCain. Why enough from Zina we Unya Krate be Unya. I mean, there can be an order from the Flagstaff House for you to investigate. Simple.
That is why I'm so there. Say, I am no quite there. One was chassis. It's the way. And this simu a ah, you know, quite a more yardy was immortalize the memory of the late Mills. Nesse, your foundation committee members, I'm with that in him. Even as you make a step, no, you said the Madi Assay. But that's what me a dream. Now, your problem, we said that for 2.5 years.
No problem.
At a regional level, one will make them move. At the national level, one make them move.
When you say Bibia,
oh, you feel up, Mama, why are the 1 year? But Bibia, why are they just there for political gains? Ain't committee members now, those who are in charge should make the move.
But that's it. Taxi driver Alex Boache, why are they me near sopa? Sage my near to me, ja, the baggy. I too came. Na ye fro na wo fa o me ye adwuma menam ha wetimi ade bag na ba niam awum wan fa wosanka ba kompo o kana ma GX 315 yamin sha pa de wo ye no wotimi de busuani na yesi ye ni so yamin sha why yamin sha pa
ina bana ba do
why ade pa why ade elim
Captain.
Otren.
Yanko Pandaroma. Why not from the paper?
Nakade.
I can enjoy got to about 2016.
Ah, okay.
And the Captain and Koyakra. Nyama Ayabasa. Minoka say, Ubabu Compoir Witch. Now her bra. And say, got to about 2016, but you're not Ghana. Yakwa Kudu. Locally and internationally, your reputation. To say, Bibia Sisi, ne Quangso. And the captain direction by the echo. Then the area, or man the quay, your nature, Henny Refa. A BBS if you are seen Bissau. A Henny echo. What is the direction? It is a hometo. Niaman Koye. Sikasama Bassa, Numa Gua Negu. Nanso, Sanam Payne Kaino. Achia Emui. Captain, Efa sa library hono. Anka me won some fua kakra mpese me bisa na me wiase ye. Na so ebe ya me twan sa nsem bisa na kakra. Ye di kan say ye me bisa say Professor John Fifi Atanos. Say ye bibi mana wonga ehyo enunyam kan aye wonga wo fi Central Region anya ye kura no say mo deshia wanya kwanga be president o Ghana them say Central Region ono pe dodo na be vice president but ye ka say president there o demo kan bakope nti anka eya ho ade ma wonga wo fi Samantha no make a Central Region. Say oh ampa yen so yen dishi bia be ye o mampanyin. Sanse an sampo 2000 beka ya aze wo fi a oye ye kan ne nyina. Na ti se kire bibi papa anya yipo no ebetimi a inspire mebum dodo na wo ho. Amampanyin fu bia won abesenko na ye de ka won ye won kai dum statutes anameboa. Ohoni awonga yesi abonten statue ntin kaye bibia epetimi amanchiri manya bibia sua eye library na kanya de ese toto na ase ba wotie me nua techimensa asem o kanya na o kan political gains oye ofi baby anso be ye party bi enipa beyond that wa be your mampanyin nti no why asset of the state and ameboa or magno asset it is say yanka politics ground fafa no hobiu obayo mampanyin magana the Ghana fu nyina na pese yes share na nunyam including you ntanyan this is business adan yan hwe mfi samum it is a NDC do baby na won anwia then next you can send this MPP for mbatu aso because oye Ghana mampanyin dedaw. Hey, how's your trend? This is not the Abama bed. Nintia, ya, that's it to me, na era. Ya, mani do pempenso, and Fasu bet me about Sumana ye. Near Fekran say a library. eba be bua disuafo tinka yenwie da Uma books bi be say ye de bi be ka ho Uma nkonga bi be bubu ye de bi be ka ho ye nya nwie enti anu yi na mo yi no menya nka mo twemba chi kakra ne ye hwe ne fe ye hwe ne mfa so na ke nyina aboatimi ye mane ye because emwa Ghana okwan bia o sa na mane ho na me anya me wonwa say ye ntimi anya nwie and the NDC emwa no anya me wonwa say na ekosi because anya ye nkwa you were hospitals, you were markets, you were Kwanga na Ben Bigusa Nori, and the NPP also Changansa. Yeah, him. Na Kwanga we no go first school. No says Jow to one fear being the fan. Come to no bet my husband. Yanya final tiring. It is a great and a negus trash because contract and was site. No what Chana Befie. Changansa him. Tinodika yen na be saying. Ya san kosubiuma ya beka ko hyase o enti hwe car eno so ba be bo man no ada ne ye hu za go find industrial who silos and this is wa osanfo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na orisi for a purpose e be sum Ghana man ye tuni fi so dan ya yo then yetime tua so man ye enti ye ntwe amanyo sam no nto nchen kakra enu ataji e be boai ne ye hwe say library ne betimi aye adwuma anya ye kura no ye nyama private entity bi Captain Smart ne ya magana man penyen dedaw onya aspirant ba be dia wie ko enti ya ma adwen ko ho because as I say ade no eso ban fa so mo man no ba bia we ye nya fa so bia mfi mu ye ndi hina no sha ase hina no sha na hina wasede ne say me so me ma hu wa de say obi office central regional be president nti ne pe bibia de bia me ma me disu me kai hina no mpe yi hina na kompe nti be sre me na no ma central region onye DCMPP no wo mansa na mo fa no nyam hye mo fa hu wa de mo fo pepa enye bribi mfa nkai mo de hye wa be ye president ko I think say no be boy pa nti enye nwie da o medical aka ebe do bia tables bi be say I say replace ne hwe ade no ne fe ne mfa so ebe ya maye nti captain am pese me kan ho ana
akalo say am time na regional chairman bia oban ne
enyim see I don't want to talk about it. I'm chair about planning committee, so try and call them.
If be am pedo be kasa
what
ibi ason kasa
Jamie, why planning why I wasn't involved. See, how do I talk about it?
Oh,
the painful thing about it in there, Cape Coast people value that edifice. No,
sure.
The purpose for which it was built, and it was built in front of the Cape Coast Castle. I must say, people from the diaspora walk back Cape Coast Castle. At least in doing research, they may know that people coming from Cape Coast and then from Central Region, Fantis. Your first president. That's our first president. First president from Central Region. And you know how Central Region chiefs and others are so united. Even the political parties in Central Region are united. We don't fight like others are fighting. They boom, they in make invade. No. Because yes, a what basafa, what coffee. Na they be a makeda Professor Mas. I am a makea nafo, wumbi, as a for today been. O se jasama ye chinkofie, jasamra, a mangube, o pay chewu, jasamra, o wabusumidem. On the yet one, jasam
Captain, Chairman Sonkasa.
Oh man, can be Professor.
Debbie.
GCB Bank, the largest bank in Ghana, Semen Kancho Sebamodiana Brew Monchain, Wombebo Yepa Sukubia Wokubia Honka Umbetia. Why show Honka emergency Biabetum, if you na person will see. o pesa ko holiday bi wadwuma na pesa obayim o mo se nkrobata makoma 180 bowre bia mu anase frɛ to free number 0800422422 o mejo so no matimi abo GCB Bank, your bank for life. Eno eda nchema remfio se dey Renault na dey cow correct pa ho odin pa edwane na sanso efe a roach pickup no say dey edem ne bo so da form 98,999 Ghana cedis pe bam no wa forward there now the call Renault Duster and so the FU and no say no to boss Bluetooth connectivity auxiliary connections ne USB port ne ade na wum ti kan wutima sa otifi uti fipa Premium Motors Limited na dia ba omo Atiko Junction from 0278 134319 Renault passing for life. Advanced savings and loans is an pay one wadi anabra. In Fiedu near Wagana ha ya juma ewo name Pakistan, Cambodia, DR Congo, Tunisia, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, Nigeria. Ye wonim die experience nso hopa. What the other say? Ye juma ba ko pen ye Mexican or the buy juma. Quick loans in terms of near Hugo amount. Offer toll free number 0800 355 3555. Bejo. So advanced savings and loans growing together. Uncle Otesi on cabin. Uncle so Debbie Minty. So Professor Mills ne libraries are here. Me would Uncle Oternum Nescafe. We hear pa or ye 3-in-1 woman kishibu bibia shim no bosum ponyazen 1 cedi 20 pesos. Oh, Food and Drugs Authority ajatumo.
Professor Mills, one of his closest friends. Only Nana Akufo-Addo.
Oh sure.
The Mejizi there.
Nanarity.
Friends are always friends forever. As you do way, it is important to establish relationship and have friends in your life.
Okay.
And the Mejizi there.
I will have Mr. South friend in for coffee, my man.
Mejizi there. Ye can Kobenya. Na or there President Nana Akufo-Addo so obum.
Okay.
No okay there. Now so your president in the predecessor court on Professor Mills, a very good friend of his in Legon. Until now so unfair. Sir, ebinime ntumi wie a obi tumu soro na onye wo yefunu mo ba ngoti nyi wo ba ona na bin ba tumi ye wo ba nka no nje me ye di titi ye nkura anyi obi ni ba tumi ye obi ni ba obi tumi teten
sure
nti baby ye duri say akohwe na ade na ye bibi oye ho a ono so on set a record there no so beyin wa about yodo madamadi we mo we ni ye mama fo ko woba otherwise baby osimpano enyemo wom onyaze ba ebe mu catch all there the facilities o women onyaze ba makom na enyimude eponchin otumu penetrate.
Oh, what set TV is all na
very good on make no yes a good
now on function what said na
problem
in there. The major problem the contractor is facing are the electronic cables no hono or say $680,000. Yeah, mistake. That's about say they are all interconnected. They need to pull all the cables off and fix new ones. And see, on we improvise and all the rubber plastic bags be actually cables nano. Said about say for how long? Anyway,
Captain,
greatest great start. And Electoral Commission limited registration. Almost my target is 700,000. Mr. Timfianka Luteo.
Yeah, they may have their target, but to them, NDC party I can. Was I go court ma we throw case enough. But yes, still in Mejizi there as a human institution, they should listen to the voice of the political parties. It will help. Yeah, can there though initially in Wakade was a call one offices, one district offices. But at least we do many some electoral areas away. But that is not sufficient enough. I will repeat it or retreat again. They should look at the geographical areas of this country, especially as regards to districts and electoral areas. Because baby wo home ye wo mafama we BEC we the 18 years ne ekurase no shen nimba ya enyine baban obeyetin wo baba dem registration center say onya opadama, then our democracy is for sale. Because say obi wo the ambition, the intention to contest for assembly and then to contest for parliamentary elections. Na otumu kwatrin de munkofu nu gukalum abobo yem not one by registration center pay, they owe their loyalty to that person. Inche onu odu mira warrior assembly and parliamentary primaries and national elections are obotumo way to my decipher in between those who are contesting in there our personality or the requisite background are obotumuzako no way win elections no other boy ne kwasina sabita frache cha abobo ya ne moto alcohol. And see, for me, I will urge the electoral commission there. They need to open up. Don't close the door. Don't close to reasoning, because they are there. The Constitution has given them that space and that authority. There was about organized elections. Apart from elections, nothing else. Even both education about elections has been given to NCCE, and they need to work in tandem with NCCE. It is a baby you doing a man for a casa, a man for a boom, what but they were Majors and Yamin him. More ma a binum advantage, ma in a way won't corrupt the minds of newly incoming voters are by register one. In a way there, what it about for one if you want grassy, one BMB what's it, no one you want our polling centers and then registration centers. And see Massa Maka in there. I saw no could be baby ne electoral commission own take Kasana. Political parties will have to find ways and means to ensure that they are deeply involved. Sometimes it's not about money, but it's how you interface with the new coming registrant. And you know, Bakasa more over motivating, no one convincing, no one about police station and then registration center, no one about Waba. Masam Kakram Wakai.
Okay. Maminko, sorry, attachment.
Captain.
No, Professor Mills.
No, I'm telling you, but there are important issues that I need to react to it.
I want a chance. It was not part of the topic to be discussed. Otherwise, I will introduce a new topic. No, Professor Mills.
Benevolent dictator. Easy limited registration exercise. Washas under that. Na chairman kind of easy no when say afutu na always issues with them was why and war district officers. Yes, when you say easy. Washas and also why and what these officers. I'm told there we show our IPAC at the national level. In a easy or the two, my Yukuni now win him. Sintra, opera wires and war district offices. Moa was saying Tira, one number most opera wire, what G2. No about out in any of us no. When this officer want you to. Now we raise the issues with it. Fine. What is the issues with it? Is you know, and I know okay. Yabajatu, you know what? Select some electoral areas in the various constituencies in the Central Region. Apart from metropolitan, municipal, and district EC offices, no, about 22 no central. We have extra 155 selected electoral areas. Was a BVR, that's biometric verification kits, and what's called for registration. They have what they call is it VMS, that's voter management system. Only the online one now at their this offices in Okwa, where you are now straight, it comes straight to Accra. In the BVR, what's it called? Police station center one more year registration, then they come and upload, then it comes to Accra. See, they had challenges with this. The worker used to BVR, even in service and as in the cost was in out to win him. But one was oh, one you to in the easy, one select some electoral areas. They were raising issues with there. Them electoral areas now, one selecting one gazetta, they have done it. They have gazetted all those selected electoral areas now. What registration one in era. So they've gone according to the law, everything. I'm not the EC spokesperson, they can speak better. But under the watch I see, I did some monitoring. There are some places I'm told that it was even if it's a nationwide, they had a challenge with the network. But she will rectify Emma or but with the electorates that were selected, people have issues. For instance, in my constituency, on our switch, I'm the constituency, Fantaman, baby, more far away from Sopon. Now, one was select, Bitama Mukrum. Military and Master Electoria, BVR Boko, a Gasacticho, Oboko, Seum, Kobansa, a Mr. Krugman, Oboko Monum. Then, if a dominancy charcoal once or a far away, Oboko, it will move Tabusum, needed me, BVR no start Tabusum. It's on start owner, it will move to these hinterlands now. I have a problem. Maybe no more issue, I cry a bit there. If I know my boy. No, you would think that Anomabu is closer to Sopon, but Anomabu Krasi, Junyabazi, in the smell of Pomazon as in our home. Yes, these are areas. We raise issues with them. And we are stakeholders. If you're able to make input, we make inputs, then also they factor those inputs into the decision making. No, Abu Hinara. And if sended that inquiry, especially at these offices in the Donald Brown Sandy, and 1 18 will be able to order sign because ABA was more selected areas. So it is going on as smoothly. Yeah, but yeah, from it, you may be a problem, but oh, yeah, you put away when through the age, or maybe a horrible to but yet to papa, and you make the input, Yancha, Nays in almost fair for me in era, ma, yen answer happened to him. So far, so good.
Let us say, and him,
Captain Ninchi Abiona, Rabbi so Tiopa.
Oh, okay.
Or Jabos. Friend ya oboga Trempriana or mama to say also contested for GPRITU I won I won chairmanship contest no but so could be a friend of Martin may be a secacra if you knew no MPP for did they be breba way our bra former President Mahama, I appointed my Michelle Lotto say, I feel that Matthias. And so we'll follow this course now. And then, no, one of Kasama easy. Whilst I accuse NDC, Obekaya, proud to 2016 election. So I didn't easy for them coming as NDC for the why a spokesperson for. You see, I feel that Martin maybe I work canas. Say, if you are not dream, no, what is a beer? Easy chairperson, betimi ama no ho kwan ma na bia political party bi pɛ no etimi asi sente saa nka nkɔmɔ a yɛdia bɛyɛ obosom baako na echi ni nka sɛ nyina ate ase kɔpɛnkrum nso ebi ti yi se de na se agya atom kyɛ sɛ asɛm bia ni ho ma wo captain prempren yi ni akɔba ne sɛ instead of 6,600 centers no you reduce about 250 meba districts meba and sana yede kakra bia ba beta ho biom prempren ye nim centers dodo a ye hwe nim minim e bia me de metia minim the captain say onim abet ma bo amia say centers ahe and ye kwakwa registration no ahe ne de aka various district offices no minim say onim a so onim bia na ya asam sebe komiso minim enu achi say obi benya kwano as sound grow for go bas me say na uncle te kan yi no do akwa register on enti so no ye wi a say nipa no whether we like it or not wa fa no mo maybe so what want to kwan ko ba bia esi dan no obi atima challenge say abrantia na baba yi me no neti minimum pa me hwa wunya 18 years ye to ni kwan so register okay young electoral system now afibia no a young complaining about minors in our register me boa Dr. Koja Fred Ambrishu nyane ka and then no dey akoto he because obi kwa correct our district officer wonim no we ofi obosumase ana wakwa kodu ekropon kwakwa any registration he na no bet my challenge ni say me hwe wani ma wunya 18 years here brana eye at least electoral areas no anya ye kura no ho an ye nyina yeto en abanti asemasi no asemasi ba asemasi mo bentin ti e ho no sa how no ya sa bie the flag gate ba be kosoro more nti me anya me wonwa talking about target 700,000 PNDC ya request ya de come Ghana Statistical Service no ye dem say mebunga we assume say we nya 18 years no we be about 1.7 million 1.71 million na aka no yenyi won fi mana komo tutu mi so ye besa ye main registration eno kra na say asem no captain pacho boame wa ho sa Ghana card registration aye no ye besa ye bi o mfia ahiachi Captain Shannon so said data biometric data want to nchine
Debbie
exactly you add up
who cry and delete
Debbie biometric data obi anchuna din si na make enso nipa bi adwin so say ya register for how because you use biometric system and if there is any system credible or Ghana after true trials and tester young voters register because obekaya there is issues with brave man court so mum wash won a the NHIS register nyina it imprempren ye kra bio data make say no na yebetime de ye ho ato so pa akese but then no e bi adwen me say yenyin for ne nkofa from uncle hey me nua the dimensa tay say ye won ne bio features that dawa e won machine no so ense sada ne fingerprint impression e was so ense sada it dan panty ne asese adwem say as I say sankoya register for fronti yenye yin bia ne fan twan for I think say e ho nim fa so yenye ho say san register no we will just have to adapt before Fred be can be a bit me that come na yi but me patcho me samra ne american so captain enya me wonwa say mo fra dodo nya kwan ma wodin enko young voters register minus wonga wonya 18 years dodo nara benya sa kwan no do ndi anko share register because obia nim say me e bi a constituency ha e me strongholds Mensa ne stronghold nso ya so constituency se metime succeed a suppress nipa obenya access to so we do ndin be register mu na ma succeed in advance And I think nipa 5,000 odo kominya mitimi suppress do na onya mu 3,000 da 5,000 onya kwa nko no e be affect o sane me na ese fiase dwen ho na at least kasa NDC ka no yetie ni ye because say enko ba say ye kwa akoto aba no so my hene no okrom ha ni din ni register ni ma nko to aba captain be yisa
Dabi so we ni mo
me da say intinu nia ede or how kese pa bit ma ba yen abatu mu registration. Supreme Court also be so elections are won at the polling station. It is not true. Oh yes. No tie bra. Tie nie. Na tie analysis na me ye no. Because ga unya kwan to about 2 and not 3. So what I say multiple voting ya tra ho. Per young system na use this here no. Ya tra multiple voting. Over voting ya de ya tra ho. Ntina bon say Dr. Frejan extreme ye. Na mom ne be how adwen. And so be betting me a bloat register. Jobeka, I mean, trying to 2008, Uncle Oti, in Shiaso. Figures are in by. You change figures by 3 times exactly because it was within the framework. All right, because Nipa 5,000 the world register.
7,000.
It is only 4,900 crab. It is within the range. It is ultimate blow to register. It gives you another advantage.
With BVR
Don't say tell me what I say. In just say no young system no whether BVR or whatever no near ubetimi dia suppress obi ne chances of becoming whoever or as pass obey no say ubetimi manipulate register no compilation because we didn't ntine nyame na meka say nkoto we didn't go man we didn't meanwhile as I say nka okoto aba no. But me nya kwan be fast so ama we dinga nya antumi ankwan ko share register no. That is all that NDC is calling for. I think I don't know see we kwan because sika wo hold it out. Yakoje hu sika o man na ma sika se emfa nye say ye be repair yan kits ahoro na etimi aye. But obi adwen ne say there be. Meanwhile aye bi pen and no nation so say nya no na nya up to nya na expectation nete. Na de ko ye yan creation of regency. The same procedure I am so near ya to home diary and run a fast with the koye. And to target about 100,000 in about 47,000. Less than 50%. Yes, and yan some young fan koya ni dying enemy. Intiminians I drink be wo say I drink say yan way biara sa because enya denga ye be register for because Matia Fia manfu be brave ano. But Hannah me person me who say me gentum say anka once I hear yen bio metric system na ye yen database no and say sunny view and you know why are people calling for say I register for why
Ghana ne what
why it's also a be mindset me can restrict insurance okay of the young electoral process now before 2000 election. Now Greater Accra the highest voter population. I think before 2004, a Swissiko Ashanti region. All right, identity. So I say, yeah, biometric ni na feeling gadochi no. I revert back to Greater Accra. Yes. So what I say, into be a drink, say, oh, Greater Accra na ban how young people be a faster, you better rate of you manipulate. But I have told you, say, trust our argument in United now. Because now it is a biometric system. You don't change it, you don't throw it away, you improve upon it. Captain Manfred's answer.
And you ma Captain, I'm Peru, you know, me chipping kakrebi. Yeah,
it's made some.
Yes.
Serious.
Enyima, elections are won at polling stations. It's a fact.
That's a fact.
It's a fact. And it's also a fact that rigging are done at polling stations.
ECC election bien no be between rig.
Obwa. Oh, me say, yeah, obwa. Yeah. On down koto aba no okofie. Enyaneze from 1979 Asian polling stations are happening there. Sir, a kafa an illiterate especially when we are in this biometric period, and you don't train your polling agents well, you are in trouble.
Yeah, that's true.
Secondly, depending upon the EC's registration officers in our polling station, you might not know their political affiliation, so they can manipulate the system at the polling station, and it's about figures. Gone were those days we were stuffing ballot boxes. Today it's not going to be like that.
30 becomes 310.
But when things are being transmitted, Upuli agent also result. Nenyuaji or send or one police station one or a strong NDC and MPP base. When you do bechinu, it's vigilance. That's what Kojo Afrejan. Vigilance. All day when it comes to arithmetic, Upuli agent no one
Or Tassin
him. That's all.
Captain.
But remember, I mean, for we infirm. But more than I say, Afcon and ya bebaso, if yada. Ebe chassis, ubetiminya. Full expense, all expenses paid up to Kero. Now, what could you give beer of your choice? And Obaba, lifetime opportunity to escort sporting heroes to the pitch. What do you say? Game card, and would you for Bank Visa card and a tour? And I be we be no say o shop o to fuel o call dinner o baby o saloon visits and be we be na utria car be you know pomori say o de EcoBank Visa card no e de betria and be boa wetimi nya sakonya between your free DSTV installation Visa prepaid cards loaded with money and the Visa souvenirs and data in your account EcoBank the Pan-African Bank ema ure emfi we Father's Day, as you need the NC, they be an Efra. Father's Day, trim.
What's the one multimedia for? Ogezi Mother's Day or hotel.
And your
Odu Father's Day is
in the car park. It been so crowded.
Wait to me as in Papa.
In your yard, you do a car park. Obi crowd one cogum.
Oh,
Yeah, greatest. Do great the Canadian way we are. What first I just what we see.
Oh, yes.
Lolo, that's
Oh, yeah. Concert party at Sanko Faba, Sharon so. The best article is here at Abbey, our National Theatre, at 10 cities. A1 near Benquine comedians, Beba, Tibomori and Sharon so. Ubestressa. Say, a Juma, a home for so, and in Puntu, a chassis, a Adom FM. Starting here 24th May, you go so Koso, Timomoriana, Koso na Fe, Timiti, Fasobe was Zeno Radio, so you know money be here.
and you mean a concert party in America or from the Laugh Factory?
The Laugh Factory.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Laugh Factory. Especially those with hypertension. One of water copa. Very expensive.
Very expensive.
Get proceeds scrap on your
$112.
Yes.
$112.
It's been a while, President.
Bible can throw you.
Unicorn Chemist, Sasso Mosquito Spray and Coil, Advanced Savings and Loans, GCB Bank and Pick Milk. From the trust here, bro, Yanko.
Captain.
Now, this is because you're coming moody.
Nano Piazam. Nano Piazam.
That's how the shots be.
David, Chairman Mama Munkasa. Hey, Captain. I, NPC or can there. Elections, you know. What's it? I won at the polling station, but on or different. But Captain, with the system that we have in place, we are going to have the day say, be any BV and come, but then no, Obi go to a baby should be biometrically verified. So, we don't know what's the face only. This is the agent in the party, agent in the home. Oyumne machine o jira won ipo do no wa ba verify biometrically say bia 2 3 or 4 no wa face only so go in 15 so we ni inara no bonus obro bo mu there no that's not what happened here. You get it? And it said was code baby machine also or record those that have been verified on it. And in my view I think that they saying that elections are won at the polling station or in a because you need to be vigilant. Now, you see, as politicians, we need to be consistent. Me, I can confident. I feel the same as somebody can repeat whatever we said last year. So the people will see us to be consistent. Look, somewhere 2016, Ebino was had the chance to register. When you wasn't fee register, also on someone can register bill. Into them when you district offices. In so be akobima in my constituency or over for crado. No ba for dominance, no ba for dazzle opium, or the bamankesi, as I was upon or register, then it's never raised an issue. They never raised an issue. Yeah, say there are instances where they've done registration on what's a office wire. What's also electoral area. In Timra Yamransa, Eguasi, actually one electoral area. Say what the best Yamransa or register. No, if you Guasi, and no, if you actually know about agents or obey, but you never spoke. We did these things successfully.
Mental American has it.
The chairman in Mammy King, there Yamransa. You could be finished with no architecture, no boy, one electoral area. No, so why as well, electoral area, we select one central registration. So, machine is in Yamransa, Roman Catholic. So, then someone has to move from architecture to go and register with Yamransa. The question is that no more can there, so people who know, you raise 18 on Yemen. The same issue them, or agents or Yamransa or two, we make it to travel. Oh, you be all rubber was within a actual electoral area. It's a rubber in our band. I know you mentioned or very well, but these things when we had it successfully. And what I'm saying that Maya maybe or by argument a year or by that's why we should make the same argument so that people will see us to be consistent. No, can be more being there or people change the voters register. Then, but if the EC says that they are going to change the voters register or for fraud, what's your fear? What is your fear? No. So if you don't fear anything, he's seen a random man home quite. Then from time to to revise voters register. No, if you do, per one calculate one more share. Next, young voters register. You saw up over the years. If you pay the and senator or be well, or those are focal. No, easy. What if you register? How many people why? It's then 2016 committee is not certain happy. One part of budget. A lot of dead people wanting woman, people register bloated. Do you get it? So from go and read that report. The percentage of people feel that they are dead, but their names are still on it because people don't go though. Me, because me saying, I don't when you need influence, they don't do it. And all this is add up. The case of 8 million registered voters, 10 million, but if you are not by 10%, if you have 1,000, I won't come, but he added to it. So from time to time, if the E says that, from the Musha Moakwe, issues on, let me do a new voters register as a political party. If Batan or you wusro, it meant to say he's going to voters register for Fra. It's true. What's your fear?
But why are we always doing the new register?
No, but what we need to ask?
Why is it always a new voters register? every election
it looks like it looks like
election
year limited one, but new one every election year.
There's going to be a new registration. After census, there will be a new registration. One will push census last year. Yeah. Look, we are just wasting the public.
The biodata.
No, but
we are just wasting public money.
The problem is that we need to centralize everything. Now,
centralization. You might not be the right person even to answer these questions, but the fact is that Captain Smart registered from Kumasi. When I came to Accra, baby, I met was Monkwa Masaman, Mokwei, just to be able to transfer my votes to Accra. My year, maybe we buy one machine because it's biodata. Exactly. They found everything about me. Blessed God's been smart. I registered at Benshia. They gave me my card. She says, well, buy a new register. Then biodata now what shadow was a mum card one can hand. What happens to it? What will you do? No, I said, I bet you miss it for
Near cost online. That's what we need to ask.
You see, but
if Ghanaians won't have faith in the electoral commission, and it's like we are wasting public money.
Exactly. But Captain, who said, "Sir, issue we." Yeah, call sir biometric registration because of Sani men. I say you be save cost. Yeah, and once and for all. It's in the anedem because you know you be mano kwan. You will be cry. Well, suggested and kaya no abribia continuous registration. You know they be out. No, because this stuff is not quite.
That's right.
All right. Neja upload about main data no. But point about I mean we are sitting say. Bakuni so be wa. No say before every election, exhibition. Enti okwa you verify with BVR no. Enti niawa will no better about verification.
But you don't
hold it.
No, you don't.
Now,
if you don't
so let him finish, then you can come in.
Captain minimum so back I said the process net here. Oko polling station where register ne da ho. Enti we be odin ni wi a. Obema wa verify.
Yeah.
Okay, it is assuming say obi a one man may have verification.
Yes, that's what I said.
No, the point is
it's part of it.
Your name is not taken off, but it is assumed you are not available.
Exactly.
No.
Oh,
assumed you are not available, not dead.
That assumption doesn't exist.
No, it doesn't mean you are dead.
Yes.
But you are not available.
No, but that's why on the voter exhibition, on the voting day, they go and vote.
Sure.
So, go for exhibition. That doesn't mean that you could be there. But so when they are saying that count the number of people who have registered, your name is added because and that makes it bloated. Go and read.
But say you see,
report at 2016.
Captain 2004, even 2000 elections. Easy. By ETS, nipa bebre wu a omudin wu. How did they get to know? Omu names ni free.
Exactly.
But when you
2004 for agent yi. Oyi.
And
2012
it has become even easier now because of the biometric system. I am more easier than before. Intini assume say one man may verify. Intini nyehia say be education say asementi say one kwanko check exhibition and verify ebia automatically within be fee system no. And no here say yam tool the whole system nenchene. Near san compile new one. For what? But uncle, remember ebium na make say on hene or my hene we doing ni register ma hwi no be multimi ato am
Sure.
Nia ya kan wo hwi nyina obehwa ya call Supreme Court no cases e kwai no ebia no ho na eye yenya transpositional error. Candidate A nya 7 candidate B nya 2 and what the 2 no come out candidate A no the 7 my way and no say copy of Supreme Court will revert to the normal way now. They say a bit my affected verdict no.
Sure.
Ebiensi wo transpositional error ma na mo hwia bibia ye koka ho asempa ye overvoting no ye won 2 register no 50 na wom but 48 beto aba pay no na enyo overvoting
here because embroso
exactly so at the point na say
50
and those that were verified
double say 52 and I beto ya are overvoting.
That's right.
And ye what young system no say was stampo validation or validate obia
ballot paper
exactly. And you know yet me just say nipa 15
yeah validating
exactly but ya kan acquire 17
on to you
voting.
You know na Dr. Just I know ballot stuffing.
Yeah, ballot stuffing.
You understand? But the system that we have today, I'm telling you honestly, say one compile register and disenfranchise obia. Saying so bet my say me fa kwan for reggae enye easy. Enye easy because one uncle do kan eba etimi sipa. Obetimi tenasia obedi agree obetro bibi wo ho. Na me keso ati ase. But no and say bet my reflect ewo national no ebe din amount because party agent wo obe liaise with ne agent or collation center and also liaise with ne agent or polling station. Enti captain kaya was system say ye yam pass and yes obi wa dream bi opese obefa kwan bi so a manipulate register I man call for see and change register captain and kaya was one of the most perfect system antiase wom obia beti.
All right, electoral commission will be the best people to answer. But
look, the best depends on the political parties. Yeah, it behoves on political parties to be training their own party executives as well as their party members. Now, if you fail to let them know the dynamics of voting, now we are back at the warring elections, then you are about to be blamed.
Okay.
Because our election officers, election directors at the various constituencies, into one order will conform. No one making sure that every branch be a polling agent. Where every branch, although you're well educated, no only mathematics, but only arithmetic. No way there 1 + 1 is equal to 2, and then 1 + 1 is equal to 4. When we do that, we'll have.
Details have emerged how 3 Nigerians and 5 Ghanaian suspects kidnapped 2 Canadian volunteers working in Kumasi in the Ashanti region on June 4. 6 of the suspects, Samson Ahialo Romeo, Elvis Ojuyowe, Jeff Omasa, who are all Nigerians, and Yusuf Yakubu, Abdul Nasir, and Seydou Abubakari, who were arraigned before the High Court Friday, gave details about the operation. The other 2 were not in court on Friday. The suspects were charged with conspiracy to commit crime, namely kidnapping, which is contrary to Section 23, 1 and 89 of the Criminal Offences Act of 1960, Act 29. Narrating what happened, the police said the suspect on June 4 agreed in the Ashanti regional capital to act together with a common purpose to unlawfully imprison Lauren Patricia Catherine Tilley and Bailey Jordan Chile. The prosecution told the court that in March this year, Samson Aghalo Romeo, who had been in Ghana for some time, struck acquaintance with Yusuf Yakubu, and the 2 became friends. In the course of the friendship, Romeo discussed the idea of engaging in kidnapping, to which Yakubu agreed to assist him. Showing his commitment, he assisted Romeo to procure a pistol. In furtherance of executing their plan, Romeo went to Nigeria to recruit Ojuyowe and Omaso to Ghana in May this year. Once in Ghana, the 2 stayed in Ashaman in Accra a few days before proceeding to Kumasi to meet up with Romeo. Whilst in Kumasi, the 4 accused persons held discussions on how to execute their plan, the court heard. Romeo, who was the financier, gave Yakubu money to rent a vehicle, an apartment in secluded area outside town, and 2 pistols with ammunition for their operations. On June 4, Yakubu contacted a car rental company at Abuabo, owned by one Abdul Rahman Suleimana, to hire a Toyota Corolla saloon car at a cost of 400 Ghana cedis. In the evening of the same day, the 4 suspects on board the vehicle went around in search of victims. Lauren Patricia Catherine Tilley and Bailey Jordan Chile, 2 Canadian nationals, were in Kumasi to participate in a youth program organized by the Youth Challenge International. The 2 had boarded an Uber taxi to their hostel at Nshiaeso behind the Vienna Hotel. They were accosted by the accused persons when they arrived at their destination and alighted from the taxi. According to the police, the accused persons assaulted the victims and forced them into their vehicle amid shooting. The 4 accused then sped off with the victims to their hideout, which was in an uncompleted building at Kenyasi Krobo, a suburb of Kumasi. The 2 Canadians were kept in an uncompleted building guarded by Orujowe and Omasa, who were recruited from Nigeria. The mastermind of the operations, Romeo, contacted the victims' family in Canada and began to negotiate a ransom of $800,000. In order to create an impression to their families that they had been seriously tortured, the accused persons smeared blood all over the victims and on the floor of the building. They then took pictures of the blood-soaked victims and forwarded same to their families in Canada to compel them to pay the ransom. On June 11, a national security team headed by Colonel Michael Opoku acting on intelligence, arrested Yakubu before proceeding to arrest the others from their hideout at Kenyasi Krobo. The police said during the rescue mission, Orijowe and Omaso threatened to kill the victims.
But your news and there is
Nyabuta. Okay. Nyabuta, me producer seven
no
kind.
comment section.
Me producer that's seven kind.
no, at least.
Orijowe and Omaso threatened to kill the victims if the security agents dared them. They exchanged fire with the security agents until they were overpowered and arrested. Abdul Nasir and Seydou Yakubu Abubakar were subsequently arrested, and they were mentioned by the accused persons as having taken part in the plan to kidnap the victims. According to the prosecutor, investigations are still ongoing.
Do you want us to make comments?
If you want to say something.
No, it's now in the hands of law courts.
Captain,
But what I detest about it, in there, both NDC and MPP are doing politics about it. That is very bad.
Maybe I mean, what challenge kakra? It's a ransom
800,000.
Because according to the minister,
there was no ransom.
exactly.
Also, when you screen to phone a hand, government did not.
Oh, the money here. Oh, chance.
Enuntina etoda. Esesa bang. Not on boase or maybe a young. Because some mass security experts no na yes press conference na ka bi asana me go bit na clear ni change na.
No. What the minister said, and it was clear. There.
Also, security for that woman.
Yes. So this was on the blind side, and this was said even on Joint News, Newsfire Saturday. There, yes, security for we were saying that the government was able to rescue the rescue because they paid ransom. That did not happen. So what the Minister of Information said was the correct thing, that no ransom was paid. No ransom.
boy.
Jim FM.